Hello there, friends. We're here on a kind of stormy day here at Epcot. We're just taking a little shorty trip today. One night, pretty cheap flights, so couldn't resist.
All right, let's head over to the land to try some Figment treats, check out the AP Lounge, and ride Living with the Land.
Very fancy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, that's beautiful. Does it taste just like the other one from the citrus blossom?
It's different than the Festival of the Arts shake. It's very more of like a citrus profile to it. Almost like a little bit of passion fruit, like pog juice essence to it. It's not just pure grape like it was before.
You like it?
Do you like it? What? Don't do that. Don't eat the way.
Why? What does it taste like, fondant? Definitely tangy. Definitely a lot more tropical than the one that we had at the Citrus Blossom. Like a tropical taste, like a mango whipped cream. Pretty good, but that grape shake with the freeze-dried Skittles is better, in my opinion.
It's got some tang to it. It's got a good grape flavor, though. Hey, I told you not to bite it.
This is what I imagine candle wax tastes like.
Yeah, it's sweet. It's like sweet. It's candle wax meets shake butter. It's like gelatin. It's not bad, but I have no idea what flavors I'm tasting.
Is it bland?
It's sweet. It just tastes sweet. This is like something a kid would just love. It just tastes like a
Yeah, these are very fancy looking. It tastes like jelly cereal. Kellogg's cornflake.
Kellogg's cornflakes.
That's what it tastes like. It's like a very familiar. I can't put my finger on it. Yeah, it's just like sweet, but I don't know. But it does taste like cereal. It does taste like cereal, kind of. I don't know if I like this or not. I like the texture of it. It's kind of chewy. I don't know.
It's just a weird ass Disney dessert. Like all the weird Disney.
This was all for decoration's sake. We should have gotten the Tres Leches Pride Dome.
The Pride Dome was way better. I think presentation-wise and profile.
These don't go together either.
They both look like Figment. And that's what.
Yeah, but the flavors are completely different. Can we get this table for our house?
Just make believe you're a tiny little seed, a tiny little seed that's reaching up to meet your need, with the right amount of faith and the right amount of earth. You'll grow to see the sunshine on your day of birth. Let's listen to the land we all love. Nature's plan will shine above. Listen to the land, listen to the land. Let's listen to the land we all love. Nature's plan will shine above. Listen to the land, listen to the land.
Well, wasn't that fun? Epcot always has something new to discover, and we hope you enjoyed this look at the temporary AP Lounge and Figment treats at Sunshine Seasons here at the Land Pavilion. If you're new here, please like and subscribe to follow along for more content, and let me know what you think of the shorter videos like this by leaving a comment below. Until next time!